In this video, you'll quickly learn how to sign up, sign in, and navigate your account settings. To get started, click the Login button in the sidebar. If you're new, move to the Sign Up button to begin registering your account and set up access. If you already have an account, choose Sign In. For convenience, you can toggle the Remember Me option, and then sign in to stay logged in for 30 days. After logging in, open the Profile and Account menu from the sidebar to manage your account preferences with just a couple of clicks. Next, access various tabs like the Passport, Activity, or Subscription to view or update important details as you need. Finally, use the Close button to exit your settings when you're done reviewing your account. You've now seen how to sign up and manage your account settings.